All right, we're back on the D2 project. Well, yesterday I took that hydraulic unit off, and taking the hydraulic unit off allows me to get the pony motor off, and then I got to take that fender deck off back there in the gas tank. I got to take that whole unit off over there because the ultimate mission here is to get this engine pulled forward so I can get to rebuilding that clutch area, because it's pretty rusted out in there. That main clutch is just stuck. I've tried everything to try to unfree it, and I think I even broke a little tab that's on the clutch plate, so I'm gonna have that re-welded on. It's just a little piece. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this. So my next move is to get this pony motor off of here, and that's what I'll be doing next. Now these cylinders here, you know, as I've encountered these tractors, I've been finding a lot of stuff that just doesn't make no sense whatsoever. It's just stupid. I don't know why they did it like they did it. Or then again, I think somebody, I don't think Caterpillar did this, but some individual person, they put these bolts through here, and if you can see, that's not even a head that I can grip onto. I got to get a pipe wrench or something on. That's just wrong. Especially making it hard for me to get. It's like they specially ground that off or something so that you can't take that off. So just making it more difficult, wasting more time. So pony motor, and then next I'll be working on getting that fender deck off so that I can get to these main engine bolts, because I got to pull this thing forward. First the engine was stuck, got it unstuck, thought I was out of the woods with that, but now the clutch issues I didn't even realize. So the steering clutches seem to be okay. I'm gonna recheck, but that main clutch definitely needs work. So that's where I'm at. I'll come back with the progress after I get that pony motor out.